Hello students, welcome to Maktab. I am Ayush and here I am again with you with the next lecture of the series of number system. I hope you have completed all the previous lectures. If not, I advise you to first complete the previous lectures and then come to this one so that you can understand each and every concept very clearly. So without further ado, let's start our next lecture of this series of number system. In this class, I'll introduce you to the whole numbers. First, we'll learn about whole numbers. Then, we will learn what is number line. After that, we will know about the addition and subtraction on number line, and then multiplication on number line. So, let's start with our first topic. Before jumping to the number system, whole number, what I want you to understand is what is predecessor and what is successor. Let me tell you. Successor means which comes next, and predecessor means which comes before the number. Before, right? That means predecessor means before, successor means next. If I write it here like this, okay, now tell me which number is successor of 3. The successor of 3 is 4, and predecessor of 3 is 2. The previous number is predecessor. The number before 3 is predecessor, right? It is 2 here. And the number coming next to 3 is 4 and it is successor. Got it? So this is successor, and this is predecessor. Pre, got it? So it is a very simple concept. That means if I want you to tell me what will be the successor of 7, you'll just add 1 and it become 8. If it is written here like this, I want you to tell me the predecessor of 8. What will you do? Wait a second. If it is written here 8, 9 and 10, now I want you guys to tell me what will be the predecessor of 8. What you will do? Just subtract 1 and you will get 7. And what will be the successor of 10? It will be 11. Got it? I hope you got this concept of predecessor and successor. It is nothing but the next number will be called successor and the previous number will be called predecessor. So tell me, what is the successor of 52? It will be 53. And what will be the predecessor of 51? It will be 50. As simple as that. Got it? Let's move to next one. So here we come to whole numbers. Let's first read the definition. The natural numbers along with 0 here along with 0 form the collection of whole numbers. First of all, tell me what are natural numbers. What are natural numbers? When we start our counting naturally, from where we start? If I want to count something, let's say there are there are some cows grazing in a field. How will you start counting? You will start like 1, 2, 3, 4. So you start with 1, right? Then 2, then 3, 4, 5, and so on, right? But so this set of when we start counting with 1 up to infinity, because there is no end, 5, then 10, 15, 16, 17, up to any number. So these numbers are called natural numbers. Got it? But if I add a 0 in this series, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on, then it will become whole number. Whole number. Whole numbers. Got it? That means if we start our counting with 0, then the set will become whole numbers. And if we start our counting with 1, then the number will be called as, all the numbers will, this set of numbers will be called as natural numbers. Okay, so if I say that, if I subtract whole number, it is written whole number here, and if I subtract natural number from it, what will I get? I get 0, because this 0 itself does not holds any value, but from here these are natural numbers. If I remove these numbers from this set of whole numbers, I left with 0 only. Got it? That means whole numbers are nothing but 0 and then series of natural numbers like this, 5 and so on till infinity. Okay, so I hope you got this concept. That means now you know what is whole number and what is natural number. The difference between natural number and whole number is just a 0 before the whole number. Here, let me explain it once again to you. If here it is a bracket and it is written here like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, we will say that in this bracket natural numbers are written, right? Natural numbers are written. And if I write it like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, then we will say in this bracket whole numbers are written. Got it? Now I hope you got this very clear. What is the difference between whole number and natural numbers? Now come to next one. Yeah, this is number line. What is number line? Number line is nothing but the numbers represented on a line, on a straight line. Here, first of all, tell me this set of number is whole number or natural number? This set of numbers is a set of whole numbers or natural numbers? It is a set of whole numbers. Why? Because it contains a 0. It starts with a 0. So this distance on a number line from this 0 to this 1 will be called 1 unit. Got it? Similarly, 1 to 2 another unit, 2 to 3 another unit. So this line is a never ending line. It can go up to any extent. Here I can write 11, then 12, then 13, and so on. It can go up to any extent. Okay, so this is number line. Number line is nothing but the numbers represented on a line, straight line. Got it? And the difference between these two numbers will be same. That means here it is 1 unit here, 0 to 1, 1 unit, then a 1 unit here, a 1 unit here, and same for here also, 1 unit and go. Same pattern will go on. Okay, now what is addition on the number line? What is the addition of on the number line? So let's say I write it here like 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And if I want you to add 2 plus 3, what will you get? First you start from 2 and you will add 3 units. It is, this 3 is nothing but 3 units, right? So from, wait, from here 2 to 3 1 unit, 3 to 4 1 unit, and 4 to 5 1 unit. That means 2 plus 3 we will get 5, right? That means addition of on number line is nothing but addition of simple numbers. It is just here, this number line just represent how we add numbers. When we simply do 2 plus 3, it is 5 only, right? How we calculate 2 plus 3, 5. And this is the same way I am doing it here, but only this number line shows how we add. That means this line shows how we represent numbers on number line. Got it? So if I want you to tell me, what if I add 2 units in 7, this 2 units, just tell me the answer. So how will you go? 1 unit and 1 unit, that means 9. Got it? I hope you got this clearly. Now come to subtraction. Here, if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? Now tell me, if I subtract 2 units from 8, 2 units. Units are nothing but 1. If we subtract 2, 1, 2 into 1, that means 2 only. So if I subtract 2 units, it will become the first 8 to 7 1 unit, then 7 to 6 2 unit. So it will become 6. Got it? Now tell me 10 minus dash is equals to 4. Just tell me how many units we have to jump from on the number line. How many units we have to jump on number line to reach 4 from 10. So how will you proceed? 1, wait a second. 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. That means 10 minus 6 will be 4. So we have to jump 4 units, right? It is 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, up to 6 units. So we will reach 4. Now I hope this thing is clear to you. Now if I want you to do subtraction and addition together, how will you do it? If I write, just tell me 4 plus 5. How will you proceed? 1 unit, then 1 unit, then 1 unit, then 1 unit, and then again 1 unit. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. Got it? After that, if I want you to subtract here 11 minus 9, how will you do it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me write it with different pen so that you won't get confused. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. So we will reach 2 here, right? So this is how we add and subtract on number line. It is nothing but the simple addition and subtraction, but it is just the way to represent this addition and subtraction on the number line. Let's come to multiplication. This is interesting. First, let me write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now if I tell you to multiply 3 with 2, how will you do this? That means we have to jump 3 units 2 times, right? This is how we do. If I want you to tell me 6 into 2, that means 12. That means 6 is written 2 times. If I add 6 plus 6, that means 12, right? If I say you 6 into 3, it is 18. Why? Because I am saying that 6 3 times. That means 6 plus 6 plus 6. That means 18. Same. 6 into 3 is nothing but addition of 6 3 times. Got it? Now come here. Here we have 3 units 2 times. So first we will jump 3 units. From 0 we will jump. Okay. So first from 0 to 3. 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. 3 unit a time. And then again 3 unit. 1, 1, 1. That means 3 units 2 times. So from 0 we will reach 6. Got it? Now if I want you guys to tell me 4 into, let's say, 2. Okay. So how will you proceed? Yeah, you will jump 4 units at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means here first 4 into 1 is 1. If I jump 1 unit 4 unit once, I'll get 4. Here I am getting 4 if I jump 4 unit once. If I jump it twice, I'll reach 8. How? 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means 4 into 2 is 8. I'm reaching 8 here, right? I hope you got this concept, because it is very easy. It is just a simple multiplication and we are just representing it on the number line. I hope you got this clear. So that's all for today for the number line. In the next lecture, we'll do some conceptual questions on these concept of number line. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Study hard. See ya.